Question 4. Liam throws a fair coin once. On the probability scale, mark with a cross the probability that he gets a head. Well, it's got 50-50 chance, so the probability of getting a head is half. And that's worth 1 mark. Part B. Anna rolls a fair dice once. On the probability scale, mark with a cross the probability that she gets a 7. It's impossible to get a 7 on a dice, so therefore the probability is 0. And that's worth 1 mark. Fred throws a fair coin and rolls a fair dice. Part C. List all the possible combinations. The first one has been done for you. She could get a heads and a 1. She could get head and a 2, head and a 3, head and a 4, head and a 5, head and a 6 on the dice. She cannot get head and a 7. She could have also got tails and 1, tails and a 2, tails and a 3, tails and a 4, tails and a 5, tails and a 6. And that's it. Part 2. Write down the probability that Fred gets a head and an even number. So the probability of getting head is half, and the probability of getting an even number is also a half, or 3 out of 6. So a half multiplied by half is half of a half, which is 1/4. And that's it for part C. Now part C is worth 4 marks in total. You get 1 mark for at least 5 combinations. You get the second mark if you've got all 12 combinations there with none repeated. Now part 2, you get 1 for evidence of correct numerator or denominator, a fraction less than 1, which we've got there. And the second is for the answer of 1/4 or anything that's equivalent to 1/4. And that's it for question 4.